have to add some parsley to it. Have you ever eat? Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. My name is Joy and I welcome you all to my channel. Today we have this pineapple. We're going to be making pineapple recipe. Easy recipe that you will enjoy, very nutritious and very delicious, and it's very healthy for you. So watch out and see how I am going to transform this pineapple to a very enjoyable food. Thank you all. If today is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome. And all my subscribers, I thank you all. God bless you. So these are the pineapple already washed. You have to wash it before you cut it. So this is it. Now I just have to cut it open. Wow, this is so good. It looks nice though. So right now I am gonna be taking out all the pineapple from inside. Let me first, you can see this is a spoon. Is a scooping spoon. It has the edge for this pineapple. So right away I'm just gonna use it for all the edge around, not knife, because if I use knife now I'm gonna ruin the skin, because I'm gonna use the skin for the pineapple pulp. So this is it. Can see. So this is it. Oh my God, you can see. So nice and clean. You see, this is how it will look. And I can also continue to shave the inside. I'm not going to take anyone out because this pineapple, we're just going to eat everything in within the same pineapple. So now I just keep this here and I have to work on this right away. Just cut out all the pineapple from the wood. You know it has wood inside. This part is very strong, so we just have to remove it. You can also eat it if you want. It has a lot of fiber. This is it. You take it out. So right now just gonna work on this beautiful pineapple. Take out all the eyes. Now give it a cut. This is it. So you see, this is all the pineapple, and now we just have to put them back to inside this so this is it. have to put everything back there. Right now, I just give it a design with this. So right now, I need to clear the table where I am making all this before I will have the other stuff. So this is the pineapple, and I have to add some parsley to it. Have you ever ate pineapple like this? So this is it. Add more. It's so refreshing, and you will enjoy every bite of it. So this is it. This is so good. Oh my God. You see? Wow. You see how it tastes so good. So thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video. Also give me a thumbs up if you like this video content. God bless you as you all watch this video. Thank you all.